Hey guys, today we are going to review a random off-brand Nerf gun that I found in a thrift store. So, I actually just gave this blaster its own name because it just says some random letters and numbers on the side of the blaster. So, today we are going to review the Space Gun SH2. So, it says SH2 on it, so I just kind of named it that because, well, when I remember when I made a review of this blaster, yeah, I told you guys a little bit about of how I used to do stuff when I didn't have my phone and I was just making videos on my tablet. So basically, when I would do that and I would get a new Nerf gun and it didn't have and it was like an off brand Nerf gun and it didn't have a name, I would just name it something weird because who will stop me? So, analysis of the blaster. It does look like a space gun. So, comes to the name space gun because it does look like a space gun. I mean, look at it. But something weird is, you see that little hole? I know what that's meant for. That's supposed to be a sight. Yeah. There's even an iron sight back here. Imagine trying to align up your shot using a hole that is literally very tiny. Like, just, yeah. And there's this thing right here, which at first I thought it was supposed to be like this, and then I was like, wait, is this a finger guard? What is it supposed? Yeah, that's just weird. Like, just brass knuckles punch someone in the face when you get mad. I'm just joking. Don't do that. You could get arrested. It is called, when you do that, that's called assault. Yeah, so let's get into the firing demo. It's a T-pull priming style pull down priming blaster, like the Jolt. I know there's a million Jolt reskins out there. And this even has the handle of the Jolt. So you pull down, and then you aim and shoot. It's not too powerful, but what do you expect? It's an off-brand company that probably no one has even heard of. So now I'm gonna try it with this. Well, while using the sight. That was completely off from where I was aiming. I was aiming at the little blue bow tie at the top of that painting, and the dart just kind of what the dart went the exact opposite direction. It just went down. So now I will shoot the camera using the sight. If this can even legally be called a sight. And right, the dart is lost into the abyss of nothingness where it belongs. Well, now I'm just going to shoot like any normal person would in a Nerf war. That's my recreation of someone in a Nerf war, running around, desperately trying not to get shot when this is their primary blaster. A tiny, non-heard of Jolt reskin. So, yeah. Okay, let's get to my opinion. This blaster sucks. Don't buy it.